Good evening all, I'm Nimi, one of the OET aspirants from Edu Skills family. Today I'm going to deal with the question number 13, 14 and 15. Before going that, I would like to say thank you Father Saline for giving me this opportunity to share my learning experience in this platform. Thank you all admin members and Kata support team for your immense support. In skimming and scanning, we search for the keyword. So here in the keywords, question number 13, severe left pain, the article in some area, and there is question number 14, developed something in back of knee, and in the next side heading, impact of daily life. So they're unable to do something.
Hello? Coming in. You must be Mr. Royce. I understand that you've just signed up with the practice.
Yeah, that's right, Mike Royce. I've joined this practice because my previous GP retired and he suggested I come here.
Right, and I understand you've got an ongoing medical condition you're worried about? Perhaps you'd like to start by telling me about that. How did it start?
Well, I suppose it started out as a really strong pain in my left knee. I think it's called the medial meniscus. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
It came on whenever I tried to bend the knee more than normal. Then I tripped while climbing some stairs at work, and that seemed to make things worse. I started to get these very tender bumps all over the back of the knee.
Right.
They were very painful, even just lightly touching them. The doctor called them trigger points.
Yeah, that's right. They're called that because pain frequently radiates out from them when touched. And how did that affect you day to day?
Well, I went back to work after a week or so, but I was still having knee problems. I couldn't really squat properly or climb ladders. That's important in my job. I'm a painter, and I'm always having to get into awkward positions. Anyway, I kept going back to my old GP explaining that I still had severe pain whenever I tried to bend my knee. He gave me all these exercises to do, and I tried doing them. I really did. I made sure I did gentle stretches before I did anything more energetic, everything really. I tried resting like he told me. I used ice packs when it got sore, but nothing really worked.
Right, I see.
So while listening the audio, the first conversation is about the patient details. Then we have to listen about the subheading. We have the subheading description of initial symptoms. Then our first answer is coming from after this subheading. So here the female voicer is asking, how did it start? So this is the description of initial symptoms. Then the male person is saying, well, I suppose it start out as a really pain strong in my left knee. So here in the question, severe pain. So here is the strong pain in my left knee. I think it's called the medial meniscus. So our answer is medial meniscus. Then the conversation continue. He is telling, I started to get. So it means our keyword is developed. These very tender bumps all over the back of the knee. So the answer option 14 is bumps. The next answer is coming from, the next side heading is impact of daily life. But the female person is asking, how did that affect you day to day? This is the impact of daily life. Then he is saying that he is giving the answer, well, I went back to work after a week or so, but I was still having knee problem. I couldn't. So there our keyword is unable. So here in the conversation, I couldn't really squat. So here is the answer option 15 is the squat. Here the synonyms used, how did it start? Description of initial symptoms, severe pain, strong pain, started to get, it's developed. Impact of daily life is how did that affect you day to day? Then I couldn't, it's unable. I hope all of you have got the answer. Thank you for listening me.